So, some people have been having some trouble downloading and getting this mod here to work. So I am just sort of making this to hopefully clear up any confusion uh, and make the installation process a bit easier for people. So this sword, it has voice commands. That's kind of the selling point here. Um, so it requires an outside mod and an outside program to work. So over here in the requirements for the sword itself, and you can just install the sword as you would any other Blade and Sorcery mod, be that with Vortex or by manually installing it. So you can go into the requirements and you're going to see this. And this is a file containing the actual voice commands for this external program that will need to be running in the background of Blade and Sorcery in order for it to work. So you're just going to download that, and you'll see it requires voice macro, which is a program. You can just download it either with the zip file or the installer. And then, so you're going to download this. And open it up in WinRAR and extract it out to your desktop. And I already have it on my desktop, so alright. And so then you'll want to first of all download and install voice macro, and then where is it? There it is. Open it up and you'll see it is recognizing my voice. You need to have a microphone for this that I would imagine is obvious, but I'll point that out anyway. So once you're in voice macro, you're going to go to edit. You're going to click on import, and you're going to go to wherever you extracted this file here called Perfect Weapon Control that you extracted from the mod you downloaded. Alright, and go to armamentperfectcontrol.xml, click open, and save. So it should switch to that immediately, and make sure the target is set to Blade and Sorcery. So now, when you say one of the phrases that is programmed into this, it will trigger the effect that the sword has. And it does that by using your voice to select a key. So, say you say the words enhance armament. That is bound to a key on the keyboard that, when pressed, will trigger the perfect weapon control. So, to see this in action, alright, so you're in Blade and Sorcery. Here I am. And so, take the sword, and you're holding it in your hand. And this won't work if you're not holding it either. So, say you take some damage, and you know what. So you took some damage, you want to heal that. Enhance armament. And back to full health. And that's basically it. That's all. That's all. I should have covered everything. Um, so this will work not just for this sword, but any other sword that I release in the future that uses these voice commands. So, for example, the Night Sky Sword here. We'll just take this outside. And we go Enhance Armament. This one's a bit finicky. Enhance Armament. And there you have it. And yeah, that's all. That's all there is to it. And so that's all there really is to it. Hopefully that should make things easier. If not, fuck.